I'd like to do a quick update here. I always say quick update, but they're never quick. On shifting my attention from the costume for now over to trophies. I do have a golf tournament that I created years ago called Golftober Fest. That's coming up on October 1st. So we've got 28 players this year. So I like to make 2 championship trophies. One longest drive, one closest to the pin, and 2 worst place, last place, or what I first I'll show you one of the trophies that I made in the past. This was one of 2 that I made for the 2013 champions. This is a solid red oak Beerstein. One of my buddies let me hold on to this to show it to some people. He still hasn't picked it up. It's only been 3 years. Oh, maybe he doesn't like it. I think he does. We just don't see each other a lot, unfortunately. I'm going to be making this top golf ball right here. I'm going to make out of golf tees, form ball, but it's going to be too big. It's not what I want. So, unfortunately, I cannot find shorter golf tees. So, I went to the store today. I don't know if you can see these down here. Oops. I'll pick that up. I bought a bunch of golf tees. 120 golf tees. I hope that's enough. Like, that's where you get that circumference of the ball. It's going to be too large. 1.25 inches. Be about 1 inch right there. Chop saw and come right down, rip those. Music's on. Alright, so hold on 1 second. Good push. I know, I'm just playing with it. First, I feel like it's really fucking boring, so I'll probably just skip all this. In the back, no. Just rip right through it. Damn, what am I gonna do? I know what I'll do. Fixed. So the good thing about doing custom shit, man, you really can't fuck it up. Who told you did it wrong? You? Yeah, old couple, because to me they were old. Make the shit I want to make. This feels like this fucking misted something just flowed. Oh, might have been. Come on. One confirmed kill. If I fucked with something that was like 500 or 600 times bigger than I am, and they swatted at me, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna leave it the fuck alone. But a fly will fucking come and buzz you, and you'll fluff him away. And guess what he does? He comes back. He just fucking move on and go, wow, he could crush me. They keep fucking coming back. And they keep coming back until you crush them. And it goes, it's another fucking... It's becoming an unhealthy thing with flies. I don't know how I have this tape measure out. Bit of a pain in the ass. Most husbands. Just do my part, gentlemen. 19 foot. That takes up a pretty good footprint. I like it. Shit. Maybe I'll buy it from them. It's just milk. It's gone bad. I don't know. Is that a segment in YouTube? Not more than I can chew. That'll take me like, you know, an hour. 3 days? That's that guy right there. Okay, check out my stuff. I'll cover that one. Let's do a tasting here. Scary good pumpkin ale. I'm not catching vanilla. That's my take on it. I'm breathing it in, slushing it, spitting out. You know what? I sense mushroom and fucking essence of gooseberry droppings from the ball sack of a bridge troll. I don't fucking... Tastes good. I like it. So I buy it, and then I drink it. It's pretty much that simple, right? Like, we're thinking, like, I don't know, man. We make shit way too complex in the world these days. But this is also coming from a guy who's going to hand cut 700 fucking golf tees and make a couple golf balls. This video was too long. You're going to lose people after the first minute or two. Like fucking custom cabifating. Gurgle flirt. Which is show my personality, so. Look like a baby's arm holding a fucking apple. I don't know how I'm gonna. A lot of this I'm not gonna use. I'm gonna have some more milk for nourishment. Oh, get that away from your fingers. Hey-oh. Ooh, double nail right there. But so thank you. That is like right there. So 30 is 2, 60 is 4. So what's that, like 6 runs through? 16 at a time. Very dramatic. And I'm doing beer reviews anyways. Comes out of that bottle and goes into this cup, which passes these lips and goes into my belly. You know, some say, I catch anise and cocoa, you know, essence of Mother Earth in the front. It's not really that. Like, the Crew, that stuff tastes like shit. $17.99 a bottle. You should be fucking ashamed of yourselves. Fucking nominal. Cool. So thank you for listening to my beer review. Don't fucking settle for what you've done in the past. Push for more. Push for more, push for more, push for more. So who the fuck knows what you're going to come up with. You might come up with some amazing stuff that people might get into. And if they don't, fuck them. I have to say it like that. Just like what you do is what I'm trying to get at. So it may not be perfect, but it's good enough for me. Make sure it's good enough for you. Because then it doesn't matter what anyone else thinks. Because you like it. And that's what the fuck really matters in the end. Alright? So cool. It's my deep, you know, philosophical side of Brandon from Brandon's Custom Creations. But thanks for joining me. Like, share, subscribe. And y'all have a great evening. Because I know I'm fabricating. I'm in the garage doing what I love to do. I just hope I can share it with you. Alright? Thank you. Have a great evening.